To unlock your way to GoCard, start by understanding what a GoCard is. A GoCard is a reusable transit card used for traveling on public transportation. To begin, purchase a GoCard from a local transit retailer or online. Next, register your card to protect your balance in case it is lost or stolen. To register, create an account on the Transit Authority website. Then enter your card details and personal information. After registering, add funds to your card. You can do this online, at a transit retailer, or at a ticket vending machine. The minimum amount you can add is usually $5. To use your GoCard, simply tap it on the fare reader when boarding a bus or train, and tap off when exiting. The correct fare will be deducted from your card balance. If you encounter any issues with your GoCard, such as a lost or damaged card, contact the Transit Authority customer service for assistance. They can help you replace your card or fix any problems. Best practices for using your GoCard include regularly checking your balance, reporting a lost or stolen card immediately, and keeping your card in good condition. By following these steps and tips, you can unlock your way to convenient and efficient travel on public transportation.